Tired of manually entering Stripe payments into Salesforce? Here is exactly how to install the official integration in under 5 minutes. We are going to go to the Salesforce AppExchange, search for Stripe, and install the app. Let us start. First, open your browser and head over to the Salesforce AppExchange. If you have not been there before, this is essentially the app store for everything that works with Salesforce. It is where you find all the official and third-party tools that can plug straight into your org. So go ahead and type in the AppExchange URL. You will land on the main marketplace page. Now, type Stripe in the search bar at the top. This is straightforward, but you want to make sure you are spelling it correctly. Just S-T-R-I-P-E. There's a good chance the autocomplete will try to help you out, so you can select it from the drop-down if it appears. Hit Enter on your keyboard. This will pull up a list of everything that matches your search. You will likely see a few different options from various partners, but what we want is the official one from Stripe themselves. Find the official Stripe app in the search results and click on it. You can usually tell it is the official one because it will have a verified checkmark or be listed as Stripe for Salesforce. The listing page will give you a full overview of what the integration does, how it works with your payment data, and what version it supports. On that listing page, click the big blue Get It Now button. Now, here is the part that catches a lot of people off guard. This integration is not entirely free. There's a one-time payment required to access it, so be prepared to complete that purchase. The pricing will be clearly listed on the page before you click through, so take a moment to review it. Once you complete the purchase, you will be guided through the installation process. This is largely automated. You will log into your Salesforce environment, choose which sandbox or production org you want to install it into, and then grant the necessary permissions. It might take a minute or two to fully install, so do not worry if you see a loading screen. After the installation finishes, you need to configure the connection between Stripe and Salesforce. This is where the magic really happens. You will need your Stripe API keys. If you have not grabbed those yet, log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Developer section. You will find both a publishable key and a secret key. Copy those over into the integration settings inside Salesforce. Make sure you are using the live keys for your production data and not the test keys, unless you are just testing. And here is the really important part. Once the keys are in place, you will map out what data you want to sync. You can choose to bring in customers, invoices, subscriptions, and payment intents. Take your time here to set it up the way your team actually works. Finally, test and verify the sync. Run a quick test transaction or pull in a recent payment to make sure everything flows through correctly. Check your Salesforce account to see if the Stripe data shows up. Give it a minute to process. If you see the payment data match what is in Stripe, you are good to go. And that is it. You have gone from manually copying and pasting payment data to having Stripe and Salesforce talking to each other automatically. Your payment data will now sync in real time, saving you from hours of tedious data entry every week. If this tutorial helped you get set up, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.